if you want to use this template, you first need to copy all of the different files. I recommend creating a new folder and have a different name, like, I don't know, you can know that, okay, this is not a template anymore, this is your own live document. And the best way is like close the template and just work on this. I will create a duplicate because I wanted to have it split so I can show you some of the things that will happen. And we need to go to the spreadsheet list, and there we will have 8 different templates. You can copy all of them or some of them and put them all in the same folder for more simple. And one by one, and you add them to your file. Like in special codes, I unlink, I remove the link, I delete, and I paste the new data. And now we will have this reading list pointing to a new file instead of the old one. And we do the same for all of the 7. And we get each time the link and we paste it instead of the old link. Come on. Okay. Delete, Control V, paste. And now we have it. Codes. And we've seen here on the right you need to connect these sheets and you need to press allow. This is in the main. And you will need to do this for all of the templates that you will create. And let's see how the high level projects looks. And here you can create new categories, and then you will know how to autocomplete. And it will be able to say again the same category. And this is like a high level project that you will be able to create, and each project can have multiple milestones. And here we can add like okay, for what project are you wanting to set some milestones, and you can have like, okay, this is the description of the milestone. If you have some documentation like a Google Docs or somewhere where you can write about each individual, some acceptance criteria, and also like in the project view, we also have some like what will be the deadline, the total estimate. If you have some GitHub code, you can share the link here. So this should help you, at least for me it's working, help you to have kind of a high level view. Reading list, make a copy, move in the same folder. List. And I will see it again. We will need to allow the connection, and now we have like finish with current reading feature reads. Let's look a little of how does it work. So we have some books, and let's say this is a new book. So it will remember like the author. If you write it once, then it will auto complete it. The same with the genre. And if me or my wife start reading a book, started, then yeah, you see, we have it here. Currently reading 2. So basically, that's the idea that this will self-update based on different settings on different spreadsheet basically. So you can have this high-level view of some of your projects. There is a stock portfolio, template, life planner, replace, Control V, and we need to allow here. We need to allow for the stocks. There is the intention planning, and this will get some of its data from the project. So we will go here and we have the high-level project milestones. We copy the link and we go into the wait, first we copy the template. You will not be able to edit. I'm able to edit because I created documents. It will take a little to load. And in the we will change the link from the template with one link, and we will need to accept in for the new data to connect the sheets, and then the new categories that we will create will appear here. And this will be useful because you can say, if you double click near the checkbox, in the right of the checkbox, you can say for what project. This is the description of the task. It will help also change colors. Let's say be category that you select, and the estimate is like how many hours we estimate something will take, and this will be shown. Let's go back to the template now. So this is the personal one, intention planning. We also modified the link. And now intention planning needs to be reconnected with the new file, and we can see like I have 4 planned tasks. 3 this month will happen, estimated 3.5 hours, and I've done 0.5 hours. And if I'm going to plan calendar and let's say this is done, then in like 5-10 seconds